Good evening, guys. Um, I'm going to discuss about drop survey. Though I have already, in my previous videos, I've already discussed this one, but I'm going to make a review and probably discuss it again. But my point is, I want you to see the accuracy of the survey or the program, and secondly, I want the viewers or every seaman to have an idea on how to come up with a drop survey. I would encourage each and every one of you to do a drop survey form. I know you can do it, but it will take just a little effort and a little study on how to make a drop survey report. So it is advisable, or it is good if you know the in and outs of drop survey. But anyway, this will help you in your vessel. If you want to make a drop survey, then these forms are available if you want it. Okay, so I just started, guys. And this is the manual computation. Of course, each vessel has the name of the vessel. Here is MV Cape Odyssey. This is a Capesize vessel, and with the drop survey, you need to have this information of your vessel's forward correction, up correction, LBP, LBDM. Okay, you need all this information for your drop survey, and of course your initial density of your local port or local port. Okay, now firstly, you have to have take out your draft forward, up, and mid. So for example, this is your drafts forward and up draft and mid draft, and of course you get the main draft because this is port and starboard. Then you have to correct your forward correction or forward draft. This is the formula for getting the forward correction, and this is the value. So with your updraft, you have to correct your updraft, and this is the correction. And applying the correction to your draft, if you are trimmed by the stern, forward correction should be minus, and up correction you add. Okay, according to your draft forward and up, you are trimmed by the stern. Since you are trimmed by the stern of 1.56, so trimmed by the stern, so the correction forward, this correction, you minus this one with this drop, and you will have this value. Okay, so the up correction, it says add here. So this correction, you add this to your up drop, then you will have this value. Okay, and this will be the trim meaning corrected forward drop minus your corrected up drop will be your trim. Okay, this is the corrected trim, this is your apparent trim. Now forward drop plus up drop both corrected, add this one, divide by 2, this will be your main drop. Okay, now scroll down, you have to compute for your quarter mean. The formula is 3 times your mid your mid-drop, which is this one. Mid-drop, okay, let me see. Mid-drop is this one. Mid-drop. So 3 times mid-drop times your mean. This is your mean over 4, and your quarter mean is 11.023.85. Okay, and this is the one, quarter mean. Once you get your quarter mean, you have to take out your density and your TPC and your LCF. So from this drop of 11.02, you check your hydrostatic table. And that will be your initial drop survey was 11.024. This is your displacement, this is your TPC, and this will be your LCF. Okay, so this is your quarter mean drop, your displacement, your TPC, and LCF, which is this one. Okay, then you have no increments, so carry it down. Then you apply your trim correction. So in trim correction, we have 1 and 2. This is the formula. Trim times TPC times LCF times 100, and trim 2 is trim times 50 times difference of MTC, and this you get this value. So you do the equation here. You add this one, then you get the value of trim correction of 9.5341, which is this one. You add this one, subtract this one because it's minus. Then this will be your corrected displacement. Then he will asking you apply your density correction. Okay, density correction is this one. There are two kinds: displacement times 1.025 minus your local density of 1.09 over 1.025, or displacement times your local density of 1.09, which is this one, 1.09 over 1.025. But I rather use this equation because you will have to apply this one. You have to apply plus or minus. So what does it mean? If your local density, which is 1.09, meaning he is less than 1.025. So if it is less, what is the value of this one? Subtract it to this one, with this value. So this value minus this one, then you will get 63275. Without using this equation, it's better to use this one. Displacement times density, local density over your 1.025 is this one value, and you just put it this here, carried it up, this one. Okay, so this will be your A displacement minus your ROB. This is your ROB. Fuel oil, diesel oil, FO, fresh water, ballast water constant. Then this will be your on hand or ROB. That is A. So it's A, you add this together, then you have A plus A, that will be 62284.642. Minus your light ship, that will be your cargo. Okay? And here's another equation for correction. So your A, which is this one, minus your light ship, will be your dead weight minus your on hands, and this will be your cargo. So they have the same figures. Okay? So you can do this one for checking, and this is the normal procedure. Okay, you apply the trim correction, apply the density correction, That will be your displacement, true displacement minus your on hand, minus your lightship, and that will be your cargo. Okay? So that will be the total cargo of this initial drop. Okay, of this drop. Then we go to our final drop. The same. It is also manually. But look at the drop. It's even keel, 11.5, 11.5, forward and up and mean. So there's no need to apply for the correction. And with this drop, you get the displacement of 11.5. You go to the hydrostatic table. Then here, you have the initial drop survey. Then you go to the final. This will be your final, and that is 11.5, your mean drop. And this will be your displacement, TPC, and LCF, which is this one. TPC, displacement is 67382, TPC, and LCF. The same, you apply the trim correction. There's no trim correction, that's 0. Carry down the displacement and density correction, because you have your local density here at final is 1.025. Okay, so we have a density correction, which is displacement times your local density of 1.025 and your displacement, corrected displacement, density correction, displacement is the same because the density is the same, 1.025. So carry down, this will be your A, your total, your true displacement, minus your A, this one, on hand, 1490, because A, this will be your displacement minus your lightship, and this will be your cargo. Okay, and this will be your cargo minus your initial displacement of your initial drop. This is your cargo of your final drop, and this is the initial cargo of your initial drop, which is 35360. This is this one, 35360.64, this one, and this will be your cargo of 360, because you are okay. I hope that's clear. And I made it myself. This one, I made this one for manual computation. Then I made another one, this one. It's the same. And see, look here. The initial drop was 1.09. The final drop was 1.025, the density. Okay. And the drop, initial drop forward is, you will check this one. Initial drop forward is the same, up 1180, mid is 1102. With this drop, see, 1180 up and 1102 mid. This is forward 11. Okay, and the final, I put here the same ROB, which is the same here. That the total is 991, and the total is 991 here, and the total cargo of my initial is 353640, which is this one, 36046, but I get 40, okay, and I have here 353640, and this is for checking. This is your displacement minus your light shift equals your dead weight minus your on hands remaining on board, and then your cargo is 35360, which is the same. So this one, I usually put this one for checking to correct if you have the right figure here. So we go to the final drop. Go to the final drop. Final drop is all EBIT kale 11.5, and his on hands is 1490. Drop is all even kale 11.5, and all hands is 1490. Got the 1490, and the total cargo is 36074. 36074, where there's no the normal procedure, and I have the checking, and you have there the displacement minus your light shift because your dead weight minus your hands, which is this one, because your cargo, and cargo initial drop is now total cargo is 3607.4. Okay, and I have here this is the procedure. I got a cargo of 38968. 38968. 38968 minus your initial cargo of the initial drop is cargo will be 3607, and I got here 3607.6. 36076. So the same, guys. So you can make a drop survey of your design. You can design any way you want, as long as you got the correct answer. Okay, correct answer. Then let's proceed. And here is another program. Sorry. Here's another program. Same vessel. And here forward is 1727, mid 1762, up is 1801. Then just put in the draft, put in the LPP, the LBM, the forward correction and up correction. Okay, just put it in the white column, and your local density, this is of the initial drop, and put on your on hands, and this will be your cargo of 19606.84. okay, so I have here the same drop. What's that? 1727, 1750, 1750. Okay, that is the final. This is the initial 17. Yeah, 1727, 1762, and this is this one. 1727, 1801, and here 1750. The final drop is even keel 750, and I put here 1750. Okay, and the final cargo is at the initial is 19606.84. So this is correction 19606.84, and I got here cargo initial. This is the initial. Okay, so this is the initial. I put here, I got 19606.84, which is the same with this one, 19606.84. Okay, so this one, look at the drop here. This is the trim, and this is the corrected trim. Okay, then this is the main drop and the quarter drop. You get a displacement, apply the corrected displacement, you apply the trim correction, this displacement, apply the density correction. This will be your true displacement. Okay, add all the ROBs, then your initial displacement will be 229,930.84 minus your light ship is your cargo 19606.84, which is the same with this one. Okay, likewise with the final drop of 1750 even keel. So you have no trim, parent trim, no corrected trim, and your main is 1750, and your quarter main is the same 1750, and this is your displacement. This will be your corrected displacement. There's no trim correction, and displacement, you apply the density correction, then your true displacement. This is your on hands, your final displacement minus your initial displacement, and this will be your cargo. Okay, so I got here the same value, 196,197, and what will be the final drop here? So this is his this quarter main 1750. Apply his displacement, use TPC, MTC, and this will be the correction of true tabulated displacement. No increments. This is the tabulated quarter main displacement. No trim correction. This will be your what is this? Trim correction. This will be the displacement, and this will be your density correction, and minus light ship is your dead weight minus your ROB is your net cargo or final cargo, initial cargo, and the cargo will be 196,197.78, and I got here 196,197.78. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Got here 190.9. Got here 190.94. So that's why I made a note here, drop survey 100% accurate. So this is my own making I would encourage every one of you listening to make an effort to make a draft survey form or formula. And it's very simple. So if you will just follow the formula. But I would suggest, if you have this kind of draft form, it's very simple. You can just follow. Here you put your draft, then here you put your LPP, your forward correction, your LBM, and your up correction. Then here, all the formulas are here. So these are corrections from your forward correction equals apparent trim times. So they have all the formulas here, up correction and mid correction. Okay. Then here, apply the correction. This will be your corrected drop forward, corrected drop midship, and corrected drop up. Okay. This will be your main drop, and this will be your true trim, corrected trim, and this will be your quarter mean drop. Okay. So from your quarter mean drop, you take out the displacement, take out the TPC and LCF. And here, look at this, guys. Look, guys. These are all automatic. The program itself will take the TPC, he will take the LCF and the value of the MTC. So you don't have to look for it and just put this white column. That is where you're going to fill up. So this area you're going to fill up the white column or cells, and put down the ROBs and your light ship, and this will be all automatic. Okay. This is my name and this is my master, and the value is 196.006.84, which is the same with this one, 196.008.4, the initial. Okay, the final is 196.197 or 190.9, which is this one. (196, 197.78) and 190.94. See? So guys, I would encourage you to make your draft survey, so that if you have a confidence in your draft survey, and you will understand better if you make your own draft survey or draft form. And once you have confidence on that kind of program that you have, you can use it throughout in every vessel, and you will never be at a loss. Okay, but I would suggest that if you can attain this almost accurate draft survey, the much the better, so that you will never be mistake in your draft survey, and the master will be happy to have such kind of a program. Okay, I think this up to there only. So that's only my point, guys. Excuse me, we put this, what's this one? Okay. This is manual draft survey. You can also understand this one manually But I would suggest you have this kind of form. This is much better. Why? Because every formula is already there. All you have to do is follow or trace this formula or these procedures, and you will get the final answer here. And all you have to do, fill up only the white cells. Okay, only the white cells. This one, you fill in your drop, the LBP, LBM, forward correction, up correction, put down your density, your local density, put down your ROVs, and that's it. Put your light chip, and he will do the rest and give you the figures of your cargo. So this is very convenient if you have this kind of form. And manually, so with your initial and final, the sad thing is only that you have to do it one by one. You fill up the initial first, initial drop, and another for final drop. Okay? But what I have is all together. You put the initial and final, and here the initial density is here. This is the final density. Just, of course, you have to fill in the draft forward and up, and this is your ROVs. Then you will have your answers. By the way, to give you an idea, I have the ship's particular. So in my, you put in the forward correction, the up correction, the LBP, LBM, light ship, and your constant. Then in your initial, put here the TPC from the TPC from your hydrostatic table. Okay, I'll show you how to get it. TPC. Okay, this is your initial drop of 1750. Put down the displacement, TPC, and LCF. That's all. Okay. I'm sorry. So there's TPC, LCF, then your port correction. Do all the computation and second correction, and you have the total trim correction. So with your final drop here, then you apply the MTC from your drop. Then you have your plus 50 and minus 50. You get the MTC, then you get the difference of MTC. Then you get your main. In your main, you will have your deflection, or this one, in this case, sag. Okay, and you have this density correction, which I have this formula for initial, and density correction for this formula. Not unlike this form, it's already here. It's already here. So you have here this is the trim correction 1 and 2, and you have your density correction here. Okay, so with my program, I have to put it this way. I have first correction, a trim correction, and second correction. So with your final drop, and the same here. So it depends on the way how you maneuver this drop survey. Okay, so the point is, the very important point is the cargo. If you have correct cargo, and the value when it's already computed. Would it be the same? Okay, put it here. Initial cargo is how much? 196,006.84, and I got 196,006.84. Same, and it's also the same with the forward final drop. Okay, the only thing is I can see both at the same time. Just edit the port, date, and loading kind of cargo. So that's it, guys. I just want to share these few points that I would encourage each and every one of you to make your own draft form or draft survey form, so that you will understand more better what is about draft survey. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.